If you are working harder, making more money, but still not getting ahead, this episode gives you a step-by-step guide that you can implement today. My promise to you is that I will walk you through all 5 modules. That's diagnosing the real problem, cut the chaos, and avoid the side hustle trap. Build your money systems, build your time and output system, and last but not least, AI and your exit number.
He's on fire!
Welcome back to the 9 to Freedom podcast. I am your gracious and humble host, Eric Pinkney, owner of the 9 to Freedom podcast. Now, enough of that. Let's get into it. Module number 1. Let's diagnose the real problem. If you have paper and pencil or pen, that's great. But I took care of that for you. In the description and the show notes is the PDF format of this roadmap. You're welcome. Step 1, write your money stress sentence. I feel stressed out about money because blank. Step 2, pick one bottleneck. Leaking spending, low margin, no assets, or no systems. Say it out loud. That's what you should fix first. Hey, we've all been there. Every answer is going to be different, so don't be ashamed to write this down or say it out loud. Okay, moving on to module number 2. Cut the chaos and avoid the side hustle trap. Step 1. List every hustle/obligation. Step 2. Circle one that builds an asset or can scale without more hours. Step 3. Pause the rest for 30 days. Here's the rule. If it only pays you when you show up, that's income, not leverage. Remember, we don't want to trade our time for dollars. Okay, moving on to module number 3. Build your money system. Step 1. Create 3 buckets. Bills, freedom fund, and guilt-free. Step 2. Automate payday transfers. Step 3. Do a 15-minute leak audit on the last 30 days of spending. Redirect 10% of new income into assets. That could be a savings, that could be stocks, IRAs, CDs, 401ks. Every time you get paid, if you put 10% into your investment, that's going to slow roll into some major cash one day. We're not the hare, we're the turtle in the race. Module number 4. Build your time and output systems. Step 1. Block 2 hours weekly for Freedom Build. Step 2. Pick one weekly output. That could be a video, a page, or a workflow. Step 3. Use the 3-task rule. Build, publish, improve. And once you get your own workflow and rhythm, it's just repetition at that point. Module number 5. AI leverage and your exit number. Okay, step 1, use AI to remove friction. Examples. You can use AI to outline content, draft scripts, create checklists, and template repetitive work. Step 2, set your exit number. In the last video, we discussed your number. That's your hourly income times the number of hours you work weekly times 4. That is your number. But we don't quit when we break even. You quit when the systems replace 2 times your comfort number. It could be 3 times that number. It could be 4 times. Whatever. You know your bills and what your comfort number is. Those are your 5 modules. And now here's your call to action. Your plan. Diagnose, cut chaos, build money systems, build time, build output systems, use AI, and set an exit number. More income isn't the fix. Structure is. New episodes every Thursday at 4 p.m. And if you go to 9tofreedom.life, you get the free 30-day freedom plan. This podcast and all 9 to Freedom podcasts will be on that website as well. So you won't miss anything. That's 9tofreedom.life. 9tofreedom.life. If you really want to dig deep and take action now, buy the book. 9tofreedom.life, Fire Your Boss Edition. Now, if you are a Kindle Unlimited member, this is for free. Now, if you are not a member, Amazon has a special to where you can sign up for a limited time, and then that will give you access. But the physical copy, tap the link. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is that time to give you the toasty tip of the day. We're going to do a numbers example. If you work 40 hours a week at $20 an hour, that's about $3,200 a month. if you add a side hustle and increase your income to $4,800 a month, but your savings and assets don't increase, you didn't create freedom. You upgraded your stress. All right, I want you to do this. I want you to create a 5-minute action plan today. Create one automatic transfer on payday, even $25 into an asset/freedom fund. From now on, split every raise/side hustle dollar and follow this percentage, the 70-30 percentage. 70% lifestyle, bills, mortgage, high price items that you have to pay for monthly. Groceries, going to the movies, bowling, or recreational purposes. Doesn't matter. Now the 30% goes to assets and systems. So every dollar you make, 30 cents of that should go to your assets and systems. Don't quit when your income is up. Quit when your systems pay you. I thank you for tuning in to the Not to Freedom podcast. If you like this video, please share, like, comment, subscribe. I talk to everyone. And most importantly, share with your mom and them. All right, Candy, it is time to give a special shout out to our sponsors. You got it from here.
Quick shout out to Hannah Payne with Atlantic Bay Mortgage, our preferred lender who pre-approved our client now under contract. Serious buyers work with serious lenders. Want to sponsor a future episode? Send an email to eric@92freedom.life.